These are my bearings, my new bearings, and today I'm going to unbox them. These are called Spitfire burners, as you can probably see, and I got it from Activate Sports, so shout out to them. They give me with some discounts, so thanks to you guys. Right, this is an overview of the skateboard bearings. It's called the Spitfire burners. As I already mentioned earlier, I got it from activatesports.com, and they've given me some free Activate Sports stickers, as you can see. And this is the name of the website that I got these bearings from. Alright, and today I'm going to go in the full review of these bearings. Just from looking at the outside, it looks just like the Bones Red bearings. So now I'm going to open up these removable shields and check what's inside them. What do you mention, of course, before I got these bearings I used to have this kind of bearing. It comes with a nylon, no, it comes with a steel cage. These break quite often, so I'm trying to replace with this type of premium bearings, I should say. Now I'm going to open this with a cutter. No. As you can see in the inside, it's plastic. They are called the plastic containers. They're plastic nylon cages. It's really good. I hope I enjoy just riding this kind of bearings. It's sick. That's the full in-depth review of this Spitfire burner bearings, this type of bearings. Hope this video helped you in purchasing this kind of bearings. They are really good quality. You should check them out. They're on the activatesports.com. Thanks once again for giving me with some discounts on it, and for giving me these stickers. I should really stick this in my skateboard deck. So thanks guys.